Hey guys, this is Lord Guy 777. Welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. In the last episode, we went to Clank. Well, in the last episode, we finished up the city place that we were at, and found Fastoon, the planet of the Lombaxes, which is what Ratchet is. But when we got here, we discovered there are no more Lombaxes in the city. She has been deserted for a while. So we're collecting some engine pieces to repair a ship, and to get one of them, we sent Clang into this mine place, and some of these creatures showed up. Um, so you use your hold down triangle to activate your commands. So that you can do things like get them on. Okay. Um. Oh wait. I think I think this is just meant for us to run under. But this one is here to show us that if we with in the presence of these, we can slow time and make it under these lowering doors. Um, we do get a few powers with these, such as the levitate, which we'll get to. Destroy these. This gives you some raritanium, because we are in a raritanium mine. So, because we can't really jump very well, we only have a jump and hover. So, we can use our levitation to get over small gaps that are too large for us to normally handle. So, get all of the buttons, and we unlocked the door. Oh, time. Okay. Now we hit on the buttons and it activates the door. And here we have a crushy section. So slow time, so you're not a pancake. Yikes. That was close. The Zoni will attack things, but you too can punch. Run, run, run. Almost didn't make that one. Yeah, even with your slowed down time, it's best to think out how you're gonna get through this before you actually do it, because you can still end up getting crushed. And boom, there we go. Get boxes, and attack the enemies. Something that's really cool about the Clank section is the scale, because these enemies are fairly small compared to Ratchet, but compared to Clank, these things are quite big, and like the boxes are as big as Clank. It's pretty cool. Here, these conveyor belt things, you're gonna have to slow down time so you're not taking a trip into the below, I guess. So here we can select the manipulate. Whenever you see those glowy spots, you need that amount of them to get this platform. I can't remember if it's been said what these things are, because it would be easier if I could tell you what they are, but I'm not sure if they have revealed that yet. Here we have some more enemies. Zoni, attack them. So yeah. They're pretty good at killing stuff. See, we have some more over there. Okay, come on. There we go. We have some more over there because we have 5 spots here to manipulate, but we only have 3. But now, if we press follow, we have a lot more. We have 8. So manipulate. Oh, okay. There were 5 over there, so we can still keep. Oh no. They'll teleport. Right here. Manipulate. We need all 8 to open the door. And they destroy the door. Well, that's one way of doing it. It's reminding us to slow down time again. But we already know how to do that. Whoa. Watch out, because they kind of appear out of nowhere. And I messed up. Terrific. Okay, we don't start back too far. Okay, let's try this again. And I messed up again. Okay, I'm gonna... Can you... No. Okay, you can't. I'm gonna see if you could maybe act... Camera. Stop. Ugh. Okay. Okay, stop messing things up. Figure out how to do it. This should be easy, because this is only the first Ratchet and Clank section. And I messed up. I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong. Do I just... No? What am I doing wrong? I have my levitate icon, my follow icon, my slow down time. Do I guess I can just, like, keep my time slow. Well, okay, that works. And we have some more stuff to manipulate and some buttons to press. But you'll see that we must first manipulate stuff before pressing the buttons, because it seems like we're missing a button. So bring the things over here to manipulate, and they will just take that over and reveal another button. And I'll repress this one. And I will also repress this one. There we go. Well. They will return. Ominous, if I must say. More raritanium. You're gonna leave this place with a good chunk of raritanium. Guess they didn't finish mining this before they left, because this stuff is just laying out to get. Come on, there. Your punches don't have very good range. But if you saw there, we got another engine piece. This is an elevator, but I just go down and we're back at the beginning. Let's return to Ratchet. And we are back in the Lombax ruins. I guess we can come over here. to show something, a new mechanic. Um, well, these things aren't new mechanics. But that wall thing right there is, first destroy this so they aren't causing any extra trouble. There we go. This is a grav wall. Put your grav shoes on so you can walk up things. This is used more in later parts of the game, particularly one section where it's a huge part of that section. But yeah, you stick to the thing no matter where you are, and we have gotten another engine piece. Yay. Lombax flight component. That is what they're called. How many of these do we have? Inventory? We have 4. I think we need 6. So I know where 2 more are. I think if we come over here, there will be a thing. I forget what they're called. There we go. Grapple points, I think. Yeah, sure, let's call them that. I think we may have to defeat all these enemies. Oh, level up. I was just thinking about when this thing would level up to level 3. So, I guess I can focus on... there they are. And, nope. There. That took care of a good chunk of them. It's always good to get uses out of all your weapons. At least all the ones that you have. But if you can see over there, there is another... I died. I probably should have been paying more attention to my hearts, because this game is actually quite hard. Also, you didn't see there because I died, but when you, go to a graviton vendor thing, it, when you leave it, it refills all your health, which is a very helpful thing later on in the game, because enemies get really hard later on in the game. So yeah. You may find yourself abusing the system. I know I did when I first played this game. But, yeah. I believe this is the only game that has such a feature. I know, the other 2 future games don't do it, but I don't think any of the, previous games did it either. So take care of these enemies, and come up here to get another Lombax flight component. Sorry. We have some more boxes, always fun to break, and some more boxes over here. And we can destroy these boxes. And get on the grab pad jump thing. And make a quick departure. Whoop, don't want to blow myself up. But it looks like we're nearing the end of, well, we are at the end of this episode. So I'm just gonna, and it here, because this is the location of our next piece. Yeah, I will see you guys later.